your dress the day that we met. Our first set, you fed me up so we could connect. And what are the odds? You sent me a text and the next thing I know I'm like manifest. That's your oversight. I digress. Got me scrolling like out of breath. Got me going. Yeah, this time I'll be cute for it.
Ashimary really did their big one with this new Invisistrap wig. I cannot wait till you guys see the ending. So of course we have some goodies in our box, and this is just a care card to show you how to care for the wig. They also sent me this beautiful blue silk robe that I'll be wearing. The curl pattern was so pretty, and this is a 360 lace, so it has lace around the entire perimeter of your head. The wig has an invisible strap. They call it the Invisistrap, and you basically use it to customize the size of the wig so everything fits flush. The wig isn't too big or too small. You can adjust it to whatever size you need it to be. For this clip, I wanted to make sure it was a close-up to show you guys exactly how I cut the lace off the back of the wig. You want to use some small scissors and just cut in a zigzag motion so the lace isn't harsh. Using those same scissors, I'm just going to cut my lace off in a zigzag motion. And the lace is actually really good. Like, the lace was HD. It was very easy to tint. I probably could have put a little bit more concealer on the lace because the lace was a little bit light, but all you have to do is just put some concealer right on top and it'll blend right in. Using my boho glue, I'm just going to apply a thin layer, only one layer, and I'm going to use the rat tail of my comb to spread it out to make sure it's even. Do you see how easily this lace is blending into my skin? Like, this is some really good quality HD lace. Of course, we are adding some baby hairs. This is curly hair, so I have to have baby hairs with my curly hair. And I can't wait for you guys to see the curl pattern. Like, just wait for it. The curl pattern is not like anything I've ever seen. This was the most beautiful curl pattern I have ever worked with. I'm going to be using my Ashimary melt band just to lock everything in place. After I let my lace marinate, this is how everything is looking, like melted, like so pretty. Like, look at this curl pattern. This looks like a natural, what is it, like a 3, maybe a 3C, maybe a 4A curl pattern. Like, this is so pretty. I'm just wetting it down so you guys can see how it looks when the curls are a bit more juicy rather than them being dry and a little big. And I'm doing the flip over, so I'm just going to hot comb the front just so everything lays down. The video is going to be featuring a few different styles. We're going to do a high bun and also a half up, half down. And just look at the curls. Look at the flip over. Like, what is it serving? Oh my god, like, ugh. Perfection. So pretty. So with the half up, half down, we're just using our mousse to mold everything to the back. And this hair was so easy to work with. Like, it did not tangle. It was just, you spray a little water on it and it's literally so easy to detangle. And this half up, half down style was so cute. After I got done with the video, I ended up putting it back in this same style. Like, this is so pretty. I did use a different scrunchie. And I did fix my ponytail a little bit. So now we're going to do the high bun so I can show you guys how the back is going to look. And we're just going to spray the hair down a little bit more just so those curls pop. The easiest way to do this bun is you want to like lean forward with all the hair and then place your bun at the top of your head. Going to pull a couple pieces out in the back. Full disclaimer, I do have a low hairline in the back, so the actual lace didn't cover my entire hairline, so I'm just trying to pull out a few pieces to disguise that. But if you don't have a low hairline in the back, I think you'll be just fine. But if you do, like me, just pull a couple pieces out in the back and it will disguise everything. And I want to show you guys how to trim the pieces in the back as well. See, as you can see, my low hairline, it doesn't cover the whole thing, but you just want to pull some pieces out in the back. Look at that ponytail, it's so cute. So for the bun, I'm just going to twist the hair and wrap it around. Now, this isn't a perfect bun. I just wanted to show you guys that if you want to put this wig in a bun, you absolutely can. My bun is a little sloppy, but you know, you get the picture. Like, you can really do a lot with this wig. I have never had a 360 wig because I was always scared of them, but this was so easy to install. Like, it really blew my mind how easy and beautiful and great quality this wig really was. So I'm just going to trim those pieces in the back. So again, my bun isn't perfect. I wasn't trying to make it perfect. I just wanted to show you guys that it is very much possible to wear in a bun if you would like to. You can wear it in a high ponytail, half up, half down. You can do middle part, side part. It's literally a 13x6 lace, so you can do a lot of styles. You can do braids in the front. This wig is very, very versatile. And this concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. All of the direct links to this hair will be in the description box. Don't forget to leave me a like and a comment because it really does help my channel out. And also comment down below which hairstyle was your favorite. As always, thank you guys for watching and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.